Hi, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Matthew, Daniel's brother, and today we're going to be showing you how to cook some egg muffins for breakfast. And so what you need is some eggs, tomatoes, cheese, and ham. And if your parents want some spinach.
Now we gotta get the pan ready with some non-stick spray.
Once you've done that, you want to add the ham and make it into the curved shape of the bowl. Next step, you want to pour the egg into the muffin tin so it's about halfway full with egg. And we've used about 7 eggs for 6 muffins for this recipe. Still got some extra, so you can just split that in between.
I'm gonna make one each for my mom and dad, and they like spinach, so I'm gonna put some spinach in 2.
And he's just been dropping them into the center, and you can let them fall to the edges. And so once you've done that, you can take your cheese and you can just layer the top with a layer of cheese.
And when you're done layering the top of the egg with cheese, you take some tomatoes and put them on the cheese.
And if you don't like tomatoes or cooked tomatoes, you can just take them out when they're done. They're really easy just to take out. Or you don't have to put them in there. We just use them as decoration, really, and our parents like them. So we've preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we're just gonna stick these guys in for 20 minutes. Be careful for the heat wave that's gonna come out of the oven. Watch your face. And Dano, can you set a timer for 20 minutes?
Yeah.
It's ready now, and I'm gonna check if it's done. So, you know if they're done because they're in a dome shape, like a muffin. Yum. How you're gonna take the egg muffins out is you're gonna slide a fork on the side, slide the fork underneath the muffin, then you just want to have your fingers just slightly on the side so then you don't burn yourself and they're stable. So we're just gonna go ahead and take the rest of them.
That's how you make easy, simple, kid-friendly, cheesy, and hammy breakfast muffins.
And if you want to surprise your parents when they want to sleep in at morning, maybe on Father's or Mother's Day, you can make them these.